Hey all, Brandon here, and today we're going to look at something else from Google that seems to have flown a little bit under the radar. But if you work a lot with templates or happen to do things like very lightweight mail merges, this is something we do in government a lot, where we have to use like a letter template and then customize it or personalize it for the recipient. I'm going to show you something called custom variables. And I think it's a really, really interesting use case that can maybe make your life a lot easier here. So here on the screen, I've got this is just a demo contract template, right? And we've all done this. You go in, you use this template, you make a copy, and now you have to go in and customize that document. So when it comes up, there we are. I've got my copy here, and I've already included some custom variables just so I can show you how they work, and then I'm going to walk you through how to set them up yourself. So the document opens, you've got your basic legalese contract, and you'll see that there's a blue box here around company. So in this case, I'm a local government looking to contract for services with a company. And in this document, you'll see it's referenced 3 times. There's the service provider, local county government, company, and then the initial reference. So if I click on this, I can go in and I'm just going to type XYZ Corp, right? And once I type that into that custom variable, you'll notice that it went ahead and changed all of the other locations where that was referenced. So this is super handy, and you can have lots of different custom variables embedded within your kind of template documents so that when you make a copy, you can quickly fill them out. So I'll show you how to do that now. So let's say that we want a custom variable for local county government. So in this case, I am going to insert, I'm just going to highlight it. I'm going to insert a smart chip of a variable, and it's going to allow me to insert a new variable. So in this case, I'm going to say this is local county government. Okay, I'm going to create that. Got it. So now I've set that custom variable, and you'll see that it's referenced here. And so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to insert the smart chip and identify that variable, local county government. And so I would want to basically insert, we're going to do another one just between 8 and 9 here, where I just show you that we can insert the smart chip of a custom variable, local county government, and there we are. So you'll see that there's 2 custom variables in this document. The one we already did with company, and we replace that with XYZ. So in this case, I'm going to do, since we already have it, I'm going to just click on any of the times that it appears in that document, and I'm just going to type Eagle, and then I'm going to hit enter. And so now you'll see that every other place where that custom variable has been identified, it's been replaced by Eagle. So ways to use this. If you have a template of a letter and you usually just post it in a folder and other people make a copy of it, certainly that'll work. You can also submit the template and put it in your organization's Google Drive template folder. Works just the same. That way people can click on it and create a copy. So very cool, super interested in I can think of a lot of different use cases for this. And it seems like one of those that is going to evolve and get really creative on how we're using it. So hope that helps. Have a good one.